you guys as a whole company saying about the whole customer journey. And that's what it is, and that's what we pride ourselves on. I don't know if without the system, we would be where we are. It just makes us better. So I'm Paul. I'm the operations manager for CS Heating and Plumbing. I've been with the company for 6 years, and we do everything from domestic to commercial, right the way down from dripping tap all the way up to full install. We've got different engineers doing different things, from plumbers to bathroom installers, heat installers, all the way to commercial engineers. But my day-to-day running is organising the diary, making sure the engineers have enough work, making sure they're doing the processes that they need to do, adding all the parts and things like that we use, and then making sure that obviously the office is operating how it should be, fluidly and efficiently. So when I joined, I think they'd only just about a month before come onto the newer version. But we were still on a very basic version of it, so we didn't have all of the recalls and the job reporting and things like that. I did quite a bit of investigation to see what was available, and then pitched it to the directors to then upgrade to the customer journey plan. From then, the business has just sort of grown because we've become more efficient, more effective, more jobs are being invoiced. It has helped and benefited the company massively. So the two features we could not run without would be the contracts, because it's so simple, so automated, and it saves us a lot of work, and the jobs dashboard, which obviously is a new release, but probably one of the best releases you've ever done, because everything is so visible and it's all in one place. When the contract side came out, that was a fantastic update. You know, it was perfect for what we needed, because we used to do it through service plans, which was okay. But then as soon as contracts come out, it was a no-brainer. Literally as soon as that launch, we were taking it on. We've got about 700 properties on a cover with us at the moment, and without the contracts, we wouldn't be able to run it. Or, well, we did, but barely. The contract side of it makes it a lot easier, especially with invoicing, collecting the payments, marking it off. You know, if a job's done, it just hit free of charge. We don't have to worry about it. And now with your new updated jobs dashboard, that's even better. I've customised that so that everyone sees what they need to see. You know, not everyone needs to see every part of a job. You know, we've got people who deal with the deposits. We've got people who deal with permits and things like that. So they see those stages, then not everyone else needs to see those stages. And then as soon as it's done, they just move it on. So yeah, that is a great update. It's the innovation and the constant upgrades. You know, you guys are always reinventing everything that you do, you know, from where it was originally service plans and then contracts, and then bringing in integrations with other companies. It's always there to make everyone's life easier and more streamlined and more productive and more proactive. So yeah, it is. I don't see any need to change away from what we use at all. You know, you guys as a whole company saying about the whole customer journey, and that's what it is, and that's what we pride ourselves on. And I don't know if without the system, we would be where we are. But with all the little implementations that we make on the system, it just makes us better. The way I see Commusoft is it's exactly what it says on the tin. You know, you guys created a system all around the customer journey, and that's exactly what it produces. Right the way from the very first phone call to, you know, after sales to invoicing, it's all there. And that's what we pride ourselves on as a company, to give our customers the best service possible. And without the system, it would just make life a lot harder.